Hello everyone, and for today we will write your first unit test using IntelliJ IDEA and Gradle. Let's create a new project for this purpose and call it as test. For example, we will place it under Java folder location, and we will use Java language. Build system will choose Gradle, and I will use 21st GTK Temurin. I don't think that we need to provide some sample code. We will generate it manually by ourselves, and let's push create button. Wait some time to let IntelliJ to stop our project, and here we see that IntelliJ IDEA generated for us dependencies. It platform, Junit bomb, and Junit Jupyter, and it will help us to run our test. As you see, IDEA generate for us some predefined structure, main folder and test folder under the source folder. Inside main folder, under the Java folder, we will write our production code, our source code, and under the test folder inside Java folder we will write our tests. So let's create our first class. For example, it will be calculator that will simply add two numbers. Okay, great. And right now we are ready to run our write our first unit test. We can do it manually, but I offer you much more convenience way that you can use on daily basis. Just use Command N combinations of keys and choose test here. So IntelliJ IDEA will prompt you testing library. Junit 5 is the modern one, so let's use it. And there are some best practices how you can call your tests. It's preferable to write test in the end of your class name, because some tools will select and choose and discover test based on this ending. Also, don't forget to choose members that you want to test. Also, we can generate setup and teardown method, but we will cover it in the following videos. Okay, and here we see that we created our first test. Let's start it. As you can see, it successfully passed. Why so? Junit team decided that if you have no news at all, you have no bad news, and it's good. So if you want to your test to fail, you need to throw some exception, and we will cover it in the following videos. But if you're eager, I can throw, for example, let's throw null pointer exception, and here you see that our test failed. Great. And you see that to write your test you only need to use annotation and use package private method. It can be public also, but it's preferable to use default modifier. We can create another one, for example, by ourselves, and here we see that two tests were running. Yeah, but let's create instance of calculator and check our logic. One, we have result, and let's assert that it equal to 2. Run it once again, and yeah, great. everything worked as expected. Don't worry if you understand assertions now, we will cover it in the following lessons. But now I want to show you how you can run your test if you configured it with IntelliJ IDEA and Gradle. Open your settings. You can do it manually or by combinations of keys. Settings, type here Gradle, and you can see that run test using, you have options. Gradle predefined as default, and also you can use IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, let's start with IntelliJ IDEA. And here you see the test passed. Sometimes IntelliJ IDEA can run tests faster, but it has one disadvantage, that you will run your test differently with your CI/CD pipelines. So it's not so good trade-off. And one more thing that I want to show you. Let's return to Gradle. And let's comment this part of code. You use Junit platform and reload Gradle changes and try to start our tests again. And as you can see, no matching text found in any candidate test task. What does it mean? It means that Gradle wasn't able to find any tests. And why it can't find tests? Because we didn't specify that we will use default structure that Gradle predefined for us. And if we will return it back, and we call method that states for use Junit platform, reload Gradle once again, and run it test again, we see that everything is all right now. Okay, guys, and it's enough for today. Thanks a lot, and see you in the following videos. Bye!